Greetings, I'm Brian Clark with Service Team of Professionals. There are plenty of restoration brands out there, each one claiming to have the magic secret, the winning touch, the guarantee to financial independence. Make no mistake, I've heard these claims for the 25 years I've worked in this industry, but I've yet to see a trick that circumvents good management and good marketing talent. There's no shortcut or magic dust that can make the restoration industry right for everyone. This is a promising industry with room for talented, energetic people with a broad skill set. When it comes to marketing, I'll try to make this as short and sweet and truthful as possible. Number one, if a premier, market-leading company is part of your plan, there will be no substitute for relationship building. How is this done? It is done locally, on the ground, in your town. You are the face of your company. Number two, not to avoid end-user customers, we have to talk digital. Stop provides and kicks off your website, SEO, and social media programs. Our SEO efforts are gaining traction every day. A high-ranking blog may have brought you to this video. Number three, the other piece of the pie is in brand marketing by the franchisor. Even though nobody can do the bulk of your marketing for your local company, Stop does have relationships with a number of insurance companies and claims administration programs that can bring you work as part of being in Stop. This type of third-party restoration work should not be seen as the driving force of your marketing, but as a fun bonus. Stop restoration franchises fit best for management-driven entrepreneurs with big goals. We can't build a big company with only two hands anyway, so we'll build you as a marketer, as a manager, and as a restoration executive. This will not be our first rodeo, but it will be just as much fun. We look forward to meeting you.